Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's video I'm gonna show you a new car on the channel. This car came with the deal that I made with the Micra. As you know, I sold the Micra. If you didn't saw that, take a look to my last video and you'll see how much I spent on the Micra, what I have done, and you can take a look to the DIYs that I made, and I'm gonna do the same process to this car. This car had an accident and it damaged all the entire front and need to be replaced, need to be fixed. Honestly, I take too many time to thinking if I should do this car or not, because I will have to spend a lot of money in the paint. I'm not sure if I can show you in the camera, but I'll do my best to show you. Basically because the paint is faded, the clear coats at some points just came out and it needs a full paint, and that will cost me about 600 to 700 euros. But I already made a change. In this car I replaced the bonnet for a used one because I need to close the bonnet. So take a look at the first image that I got when I get the car, and I'll be right back.
Try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon.
As I told you before, this car have not a big accident, but it have an accident, and it damaged the bonnet, the bumper, and this side part over here. And he was not closing, and I want to close because actually I park my cars on the street, and of course I don't want to be robbed again. As you can see, I already replaced the bonnet, and I was trying to close, but then I found out that the latch was damaged and was not able to close. So I already ordered a new latch. The entire front is damaged. I don't have the side light, the headlights. This one is broken, you can see it. This is broken. Basically I have to replace everything in the front. I already ordered new parts, and that is something that I want to show you that happens in the accident. So we have a problem with the radiator. What happened? When the accident happens, this wheel over here just goes inside and hit the radiator. Now the radiator is leaking and I need to install a new radiator also. Let me see if I can show you the leak. So the leak is over here. So the engine is working really well. I'm gonna change, of course, I'm gonna do the maintenance, oil, filters, spark plugs. I will replace the radiator. I will replace the expansion tank also, because I hate to look over here and I cannot see the coolant. In the brake system, I will replace the discs and the pads because they just passed away. The tires are really good, so I don't need to buy new tires. And I will also replace the wheels because these ones are just ugly and I don't like it. Oh shit. Sorry man. So I already have new wheels and I will restore that wheels, which will look really nice at the end, I hope so. I'm just gonna give you an overview of the paint so I can give you an idea how it looks like. previous owner gave me some information about the car and about some problems, and one of the biggest problems is the central locking, which is not working, and the controllers are not also working. The central locking is not working at all, it's not locking, so if you want to open the doors, you need to open door by door. And another thing that he told me is the rear doors are not opening from the inside. But I think the child protection is activated and probably is not working just because of that, because from the outside you can open the doors normally, but I will check right now. Easy fix. Now let's check the other side, probably is the same problem. Yes, of course. So the interior, the seats are just dirty, they are really good. GoPro, stop recording. So another thing that I will replace is this radio. I will swap for the one that I have in Audi, because this one is just ugly and I don't like it. So I also replace this one. This is from Alpine, which is good, but is just looking bad. So let's see the trunk. So the trunk is not bad. It's just some old things in here. So I'll take the chance to look to the central module to see if the problem is the model or not. By the way, you should disconnect the battery, okay? So here we have the model. Usually this gets some water inside and usually damage. I don't know what happens to this, but I will try to... Ouch. Oh, the f. What the hell? What? This is the reason that the central locking is not working. Okay, I definitely need to replace the model. So if I find out in the future more problems, you'll see, of course. So if you are new in the channel, take a look at my other videos, and as normal, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.